Hi, this is Rachhya from Calilio, and in this video, I'll show you how to add and use notes in Calilio. Calilio's Notes feature helps your team stay on the same page. You can jot down reminders, customer details, or call summaries, visible only to your Calilio team members. Now let's look at how you can add notes. First, click on the drop-down arrow beside numbers and access the call box through one of your own numbers. Once on this page, scroll down the General Info section to find the Notes feature on the right-hand side of the screen. You can add notes by typing out in this rectangular box. You can also edit or delete a previous note. Notes are private to your Calilio team. They're not visible to the contact in the conversation. They help your team stay aligned without affecting customer-facing communication. And that's it about Calilio Notes. For more quick tips and tutorials, check out other videos or reach out to Calilio Support, available 24/7 via the live chat. Thanks for watching.